Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe.
Hello Divas, I am here again with another video. How I shampoo, condition, flat iron, and color my hair. I'm going to take you through my step-by-step process of how I shampoo my hair and how I put my color in. Well, let's jump right into this process of what I do to shampoo my hair. The products I use are by Itay. This is their cream reconstructive serum that you put on your hair before you shampoo it, and you leave it on maybe 20 minutes to an hour. The way I prepare my hair is I take this water bottle and I mist my hair with it, because you're actually supposed to wet your hair with some water before you put it onto your hair. I like this spray bottle, and if you're interested in this spray bottle, I got it off of Amazon. It's damp enough, so you take about a handful of this caramel and rub your hands together and put it on your hair. And if I don't get it through my hair enough, I take another handful and go through the middle of my hair. And I make sure I work it all the way to the ends of my hair, and then I ball it up in a knot. I put a plastic bag on it. I wait about a good 20 minutes to an hour. I'll be back when it's time to show you the shampoo regimen that I use when I shampoo my hair. Now it's time to take the cream conditioner out of my hair and use the shampoo. I rinse my hair until all the cream caramel reconstructor is out, and then I shampoo my hair 3 times. Okay, now it's time to put the color in. The shampoo that I use by Itay, it doesn't lather up a lot, but I use a second shampoo once I take my color out. So what I do is section off with the bottle, which is the kiss, and I just go through my hair with the color until my hair is completely saturated with it. And this is a magenta. So I part it, put it on. And then I go through my whole head until I completely cover it with the color. And then once I get all of the color on, I let it stay on for 30 minutes to an hour, because it's only a rinse. I usually use 2 colors, but this time I decided to go with just this color to see how I would like it. But I would insert a picture of the second color that I use, and it really covers any gray you have in your hair. If you're looking for coverage over gray, this one is more so the color that I like for the burgundy color I have in my hair. But I will show you what product I use on my hair when I want to wear my hair curly. So I just take the rest of the color and just saturate my hair all the way through with it. I usually will put some Vaseline around my edges. I didn't do it this time. But if you don't want your edges to be the color of burgundy, then just put some Vaseline around your edges. And then I just work the color all the way in until I feel that it's completely through my hair. And then I get a plastic bag and put it on my hair, and I let it stay on for about 30 minutes to an hour. And we'll be back to shampoo it out. Okay, it's time to take the color off now. And after I take the color off, I will be using a second type of shampoo, which is this one, Silk Element. And then I will go in with the Itay conditioner. And once I work that in, rinse it out, I will go in with my final conditioner by Silk Element. Okay, now this is what my hair looks like now. And I will let you in on a small secret. So if you're having some type of heat damage, I'm just going to tell you my experience with it makes my curls a lot more defined in my hair. Help your hair get back to the point of its curly state. Maybe you should look into picking up some heat. So, and I use another product on my hair as well, and it is called Aveda, and I use this to keep down the frizz. But you will see how my hair reacts to it when I put it on my hair, and you really don't need that much. You could just look at how my curls are in. I got just maybe a little bit, maybe about a half an inch of straightness on the very ends of my hair, but for the most part all of it is about the same, and eventually I'm gonna cut that off. But it's time to blow dry it. So once I blow dry it, I'll be back with you to let you see what I use on my hair to flat iron it. Okay, this is what my hair looks like once I finish blow drying it. And my next step is to part it into 5 sections. So I do the ear to ear part, and then I start with the back. I part a straight part down the middle, and I section the back off into 2 sections. And then I take the front and I section it off in 3 sections. You can see how nice and vibrant my color is. So we have our 5 sections. I usually start with this section right here. Each section I use a little bit of the Butter Shine from Ite, and I take about this much. What I do is after that I take a comb and I stimulate my scalp, and then I start from the base of my neck right here and flat iron up. So once I finish flat ironing my hair, I'll come back. Okay, we have one side flat ironed. We'll be back when the rest is on. Okay, here is all flat ironed and straight. I'm gonna wrap it up, go lay on it for the night, and then in the morning I'm gonna take it down and let y'all see exactly what it looks like in the morning. Until then, I will see y'all in the morning.